Hello everyone, myself Mefuta Cardos and my team members are Aishwarya Kurle, Archana Kalas and Apeksha Naik. Project title is E-Rakshak, an effortless way of police complaint registration management and security, under the guidance of Professor Shamad Desai, Project Guide, and Professor Raghvinder Hegde, Project Coordinator and the HOD. Index includes introduction, proposed system, design, system implementation, conclusion, future scope and the references. Introduction. We have designed a web application to manage police station in a district. It consists of 4 modules: visitor, user, admin and the investigator module. It consists of a unique button called help which is used during the emergency. Proposed system. Registering complaints online is very easy during emergency or during night. Storing, maintaining and accessing of the data of cases is done at a faster rate. Communication between users and the police constables can be taken place easily. Consists of a unique button called help which will track the phone number of the user. Next will be continued by Apeksha Naik.
Next is design. This is the overall system architecture which consists of 4 modules: admin module, user module, visitor module and the investigator module. Next is the visitor module. Visitor is the user using this application without login. They can access the help button for emergency purpose, view news, view helpline numbers and can also view the missing people, so that if they find them, they can easily contact the number given in the missing people details. Next is the user module. User has to compulsorily log in order to register a complaint. They can also take back their complaint if they want. They can also attach the proofs regarding the case if they have any. That's not a compulsory. And the user can also give feedback to the admin about the investigator, whoever is handling their case. Next is investigator module. The investigator has to register first. They can only log in if the admin accepts their request. After login, the user can receive complaint filed by the users, contact the user regarding the case and also forward the complaint to the admin. Next is admin module. Admin after login manages the police station, receives complaints from the investigator, assign cases to higher investigator and also receive the feedback from the user. Use case diagrams. Use case is the simplest representation of the user's interaction with the system. So here towards the left side is the actor and towards the right side are the use cases. Here the user can register the complaint, attach the proofs and also send feedback to the admin. Visitor can view the news, view missing people and also view the helpline numbers. Investigator can receive complaint from the user, contact the user regarding the case and also forward the complaint to the admin. Admin can receive and assign the cases, manage police stations, view solved and unsolved cases and receive the feedback. Next is system implementation. So the languages used, client-side programming languages are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is a client-side scripting language. It helps in creating the web page. CSS helps us to add color and layout. And JavaScript is able to interact with the HTML and allows us to add dynamic elements within the websites. Server-side scripting is PHP and JSON. PHP is a server-side scripting language used to make static or dynamic websites or web applications. JSON can read data from the web server and display data in web page. Database used is MySQL. Softwares used is Navigate Lite for MySQL, JDK and NetBeans IDE 8.2 version. These are some of the screenshots. Next will be continued by Aishwarya.
Conclusion. This application have a user-friendly interface, so it can be used by anyone. It decreases the amount of time taken to register the complaint, and the user can get the details of the investigator who is handling his or her complaint and other information such as missing people details. If they find them, they can help the police by informing them, and they can send the feedback about the investigator directly to admin, and admin can manage all the police station in a district. Future scope. In future, we will try to provide language selection option so that the user can view the content of this application in their language. To improve the communication between the police and public, we can add the live chat options. In this application, after pressing the help button, phone number of the user will be sent to the nearby police station and his location will be tracked. In future, we can extend it to send the exact location of the user to nearby police station. and the nearby user of this application. This application is used to register a complaint efficiently through the internet to the head of the police station, PSI, directly. References. These are the references we had referred. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya Kurle. I am going to show our project, that is eRakshak, an effortless way of police complaint registration management and security. While entering into this system, user have to enter his mobile number. After this, main page will be opened that contains the help button, visitor module, user module, admin module and investigator module. After pressing the help button, one can send the phone number to the police station in case of emergency. After pressing the button, it will show sending request. Then we have to enter OK. Then visitor module. Visitor can view the news, can view the missing people and can view the helpline numbers. This is the news page where user can view the live news. Visitor can view the missing people and their details. And visitor also can view the helpline numbers. Next is user module. User have to register himself first. This is the registration form. After entering the details like name, username, mobile, password and confirm password, user can register. After that, you have to log in. After login, this page will be opened where user can register complaint. This is the complaint registration form. User can select the crime type, then city, then location, police station. Okay. In description, he can add the details of the person, that is the criminal, and he can upload proof like Aadhaar card, and it is the compulsory field, and attached proof is not compulsory field. He can choose photo, audio, video as a proof. Then submit. Complaint registered successfully. After registering, he can view the complaint. The complaint details. Status is pending because it not has been accepted by the investigator. He can view the investigator. Investigate details are empty because his complaint is not accepted by the investigator. Then feedback form. User can give feedback about the investigator to the admin. He have to enter the complaint number, investigator name, rating and description about the investigator. Then feedback sent successfully. Next is investigator. Investigator will have to register himself first. There are three types of investigators: PSI, CI and DSP. PSI manages only one police station, CI manages 2 or more police stations and DSP manages 2 or more cities. Okay, first PSI registration form. Okay, this is the PSI registration form. You have to enter name, date of birth, city, location, police station, designation, year of joining, mail, mobile number, password and confirm password. Next is CI registration form. CI can select more than one police station. This is the first police station, Karwar police station. Then he can choose another police station. Okay, this is the second one, and he have to enter his all details. Then he have to sign up. Next is DSP. DSP can select more than one city. This is the first city, Karwar. Then this is the second city, Kumta. And he have to enter his all the details and sign up. Now admin. Admin can view the admin have to log in with his user ID and password. Then this page will be opened. Here he can view the investigator details. After investigator registration, request will be sent to the admin. Admin have to approve that request. After approved, then only investigator can log in. After approved by the admin, investigator can log in now. This page will be opened. Here, investigator can receive the complaint. Here, investigator is PSI. Okay, he can view the ID proofs and files sent by the user, and he can either accept, or if he can't solve this complaint, then he can forward this complaint to the admin. Investigator can add missing people. After entering the details and after choosing the photo, he can post the missing people. Okay, add missing success. Then investigator can erase the missing people. Okay, this one is deleted. Investigator can add most wanted criminals. Can view the most wanted criminal details, and same as investigator, same as visitor, investigator can view news, and he can view the help details, that is the phone number and date. After receiving the phone number, he will contact the service provider to know the exact location of that user. Admin can view the feedback sent by the user. Admin can view the list of complaints, that is on accepted, solved cases and pending cases basis. Accepted cases are this much. Pending cases are this one. Pending cases can be forwarded to the CI or to the DSP. If CI can't solve then he will forward that complaint to the DSP. Okay, thank you.